Okay, this is problem 5 from chapter 9 of CFIN7. So, Zebra Fashions is evaluating a capital budgeting project that should generate $104,400 per year for 4 years. If its required rate of return, what is the value of the project to Zebra? So in other words, what's the maximum that Zebra should pay for it? So I'm going to do it with a formula, and then calculator. So this is a present value of annuity. Is what we're calculating here. We can also use an NPV function in Excel. It would be $104,400 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus the rate. So 1.16, and it's for 4 years, so it's to the 4th power, and then we divide all of that by 0.16, and we'll get $292,138.06. So part B, all we do is change the rate. So present value is 104,000. So Leopard Fashions evaluates the same project with a rate of return of 12%. So 104,400 multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus the rate. So 1.12 to the 4th power divided by 0.12. That is $317,099.27. So because the required zebras or leopards required rate of return is less, they're actually willing to pay more. So on your calculator, go to the cash flow function, second cash flow, second clear, so CF0 is going to be 0. C01 is 104,400, and F01 is the frequency, how many times it occurs, 4. Then you hit NPV, and I is 16, and you go down to NPV and hit compute, and you get 292,138.06. For B, all you do is change I to 12, and then go down to NPV and hit compute, and that's $317,099.27. Let's pull up the calculator. So second cash flow, second clear. So you've got 0, then 104,104,400. Enter. And then it occurs 4 times, so 4, enter. And we hit NPV and 16. Enter, down to NPV and hit compute. All right, so apparently I had a typo there to 130.06. All right, so now if we go back up to I for part B and change it to 12, enter, compute. $317,099.27.